Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I want to share something really special to me. Recently, I finished writing my very first book called DotCom Secrets, and I actually want to give you a copy of this for free. But before we do, I want to explain to you really quickly what this book is about, but more importantly, I want to share what this book is not about. Now, this book it's not about getting more traffic to your websites, okay? But after you read this and understand DotCom Secrets, I promise you'll get exponentially more visitors or more people coming to your website. Now, this book is also not about increasing your conversions. Yet what you learn inside here will increase your conversions more than any headline, tweet, or split test ever can even hope to accomplish. And all that's here inside this book. Now, if you're currently struggling to get people to actually come to your website, or when they actually come to your website, to get people to convert, become buyers, and actually give you money, my guess is you'll probably think you have some type of traffic conversion problem. But in my experience, after working with tens of thousands of businesses and entrepreneurs just like all around the world, there rarely is a traffic or conversion problem. It typically comes back to something that's at first it's a lot harder to see, and that's the bad news. But it's a lot easier to fix, and that's the good news. For over a decade, I've had a really cool opportunity to work with entrepreneurs all around the world. People like you and like me who want to change the world in our own way. For example, a little while ago, I got a call from Drew Canoli. He runs a company called Live TV. He lives down in San Diego. They invited me to come fly down to San Diego and spend some time with them. Now, at the time, their company making over $1 million a year, but unfortunately, they weren't profitable. Because of some changes with Facebook and some other internal struggles they ran into, they just weren't able to become profitable. And so they called me because they wanted help with two things. They wanted help with traffic and conversions. And I knew going into it that although that's what they thought they needed, that wasn't the issue. So we sat down and they kind of shared with me what they were doing and showed me what was working, what wasn't working. We looked at everything, and almost instantly I knew what was the problem. And again, it wasn't a traffic problem, it wasn't a conversion problem, something else.
Taking Russell's advice, everything that he's told us to do throughout the beginning of our launch with Organifi, our superfood green juice product. It's all organic, awesome. The results from this thing are absolutely amazing. But what we've seen on the number side of it, as far as what we've been able to create, is incredible. Yeah, we were blown away with the results that we received. We weren't expecting it to be this big. And we sold out in 48 hours of our initial run. And it's been crazy ever since too. Like I didn't anticipate it working so well. And I'm a big believer in abundance, right? And I'm always prepping myself for the best possible solution. But this has superseded even that. And that's cool. So we did a soft launch on the first day. And we received about $10,000. That was just on my personal Facebook page. And then the next day was 36,000. The day after that was 35,000. And every day after the initial launch, we sold anywhere from 15 to 20 grand. So how we did that was using Russell's information.
Isn't that awesome, you guys? Every time I see that video, it gets me excited again. Now that process I just took Drew and his team through, it's the exact same process I take all of my clients who gave me $100,000. It's also the exact same process that you're going to go through when you get the DotCom Secrets book. Now, again, like I told you before, I'm going to send you guys this as a gift for free. Now, I'm curious. Are you interested to see what's inside of here? Well, come here and check it out. I want to show you some really cool stuff. The first thing you learn about when you start reading DotCom Secrets book is a concept I call the secret formula. The first step in the secret formula is you're going to learn to identify exactly who your dream customers and your dream clients are. Now, after you know who people are, the second step is going to help find out exactly where to find those people. Third, then is what type of data we're going to create to attract those clients. And then the last step here is you got to figure out what results do you want to give to that person. How can you serve them at the highest level in a way that's going to change their life, but also make you the most amount of money? Okay, now that's kind of what the secret formula is. After you understand the secret formula, I'm then going to show you inside the book 7 sales phones we use to get your dream client and help send them up to your highest level of products or services. But the cool thing is that we don't just stop there and show you the sales funnels. I also give you the exact sales scripts you use to get people to buy your products and each of the different types of sales funnels you're going to use. Like I said before, this is the exact same process that Drew's company through. It's the exact same process I take all my high-level clients through. And I'm so excited now to take you through this process as well. It's going to help you literally go and attract more of your dream clients, the people you want to work with, people you want to serve. And it's going to allow you to serve them at a higher level, help them transform their lives. And while you do that, the most exciting thing is that as you're transforming their lives, you're going to make more money. It's going to transform your business. It's going to transform your life well. And that's why I'm so excited. This book literally is the underground playbook growing your company online. And what's cool, I actually want to give this to you for free, like I said before. And all you got to do is you got to take the first step. You got to go and request it. And again, it's cost you a little bit of shipping and handling money, but that's it. And afterwards, ship you out a copy today. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. You're not signing up for a monthly program or anything. We're shipping you this book for free. And in fact, you don't love this book. I want you to get it, take it home, read the entire thing. At the end of it, if you don't love this book, just let me know. What we'll do is I'll refund your shipping costs and let you keep the book. That's how much I believe in this, how much I know is going to change your business and change your life. Does that sound good? Alright, so what you need right now is fill out the form on the side, let us know where to ship it to you. If we still have some left over for our special promotion, we'll package it up, we'll ship it out to you right now. Does that sound good? Awesome. Fill out the form right now.
When I started my business, to be honest with you, I didn't have a clue. I mean, I went out there, I can't even say I was afraid because I didn't even know I was afraid. I was that clueless about what I was doing in my business, but I was going out there and I was trying to make something happen. But it wasn't until I came across DotCom Secrets and the information that Russell Brunson has to offer that my business completely transformed because I transformed. Russell helped me to understand that my limitations, the challenges, the things I hadn't been able to accomplish up to that point were about me and not having a map to follow to get to that place, to that top of the mountain where I wanted to be. And when I was able to find that map, oh man, it changed my life, changed my business. I mean, I'm not going to look back. I mean, the sky is the limit from this point forward. You know, from basically negative $150 to 7 figures every year. I am a walking, talking, raving Russell Brunson fan.
Changed my life. Totally changed my life. Totally changed my focus. And my family. And my business partnerships. And so it's awesome. And I can see the look on his face and how he's grateful in some way his finger, his talent, his God-given gifts have had a hand changing my life. And who knows how many more? My kids, my wife, my business partners. But it has this trickle effect. It's going to empower me to now make a difference in other people's lives, grow my business. Incredibly grateful for it.
Yeah, that system has given me the security to not have to go back to that lifestyle that I had where I was working my butt off. I was working 6-7 hours a week, trading dollars for hours. Using that system has freed up my time and energy to focus on what's most important in my life. And I would recommend it highly to anybody. Getting your hands on these systems and these tools that Russell teaches, using and implementing these tools that Russell teaches in the system allowed me to take this 10-week trip in an RV with my family, 4 kids, across the northwest part of the United States, and allowed us to launch a coaching program. We made close to 6 figures in it. I'm super excited about the future of my business, where it's going. We've just scratched the surface of what we do, and I'm excited about taking it further to another level, taking more trips, having more time to spend with my family, and not trading the dollars for hours anymore.
One of the very first programs that I did with Russell, I actually didn't really have a system for my sales process. And when I went through the program, I learned a strategy that is now bringing in 80% of my business's income. So we scrapped everything else that we were doing because we learned this one strategy, and for the last 2.5 years, that's all we've been doing. And it's way less stress, no more nightmares. I mean, it's so easy. I'm working with people that I want to work with, and they're paying me high dollar amounts, which is so awesome and so rewarding. So, I mean, just that system alone is worth so much money, any dollar amount, because it makes hundreds of thousands of dollars in my business. So, I mean, if you can have access to that, if selling that, you guys can get your hands on it, I would absolutely encourage you to say yes to that, because that information will absolutely change your business no matter where you are right now. So I would definitely grab that up. So I'm so thankful every day that I get to do this and help so many people. It's really powerful work. I knew every step of the way that there was a reason for everything, and I was just determined as hell to figure out what it was. For me, there was no other option to figure out the reason for all of this chaos. And I'm so glad that I was so persistent, because just to be on the other side of it is amazing. Now it's just happiness all the time, like fun, happiness, like everything's easy, you know? But it wasn't always that way, and most people living on this planet do not have an easy life. And if I can just help like a few more people.
So if someone has a chance to get DotCom Secrets, they would be doing their children and their grandchildren an injustice not to pick up this book and implement the things that Russell's talking about. It's a limited time offer. I know there's a small amount of books that he's going to be able to disseminate with free plus shipping. Don't wait. I mean, do yourself a favor, do your children and grandchildren a favor. Go get the book now.